We are going to revisit Rene.
I'm Rene.
He's gonna first take us to this cave, and then he's going to show us how to make fondue, and then we're going to eat it. This is the cave where they create the cheese. We're not allowed to film in there, but we're gonna get some B-roll for you guys, so let's go. It was very cold, and I was telling them it reminded me of the end of Raiders of the Lost Ark, when they hid the Ark in the warehouse and it just kept going. It was like all these different caverns and these different hallways just lined with cheese. There's this unique bacteria that only grows in this cave, and it creates this flavoring in the cheese, kind of black mold that you don't eat that part, but how much does it weigh?
What do you think?
75 pounds.
How much kilos?
40 kilos.
40 kilos. It's 100.
Oh gosh.
One cheese.
It's 200 pounds.
Yeah, it's 200 pounds about.
This is Andre, Rene's son.
How is it made? Like an Emmentaler from
We're gonna eat this in the fondue. That one in the back.
This is before, yes. This one is after the cave.
Lecker, tasty, right?
Yeah.
See, we nicht Deutsch. We nicht Deutsch.
So look, we make it like that. Yeah?
Okay.
You see? It's so easy. And then just take with the knife that away. I like pepper very much. It's cheese, spices, we take in here.
Cheese man coming.
And what happens now is that
Oh. Look at that.
all my guests are very excited about that. They say, oh, wow, I've never seen this vegetable. That's a good idea.
That's very good. Hot fondue from Aldi. Because we didn't know how to make it. It came out okay, but not like this, man.